guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create an AE watermark on CapCut PC. So I'll just copy and paste the video first, and I'm going to add a text right above like this. And I need to go to media and I need to get a green screen. So I'm just going to select this random one, and I might just scale it up because I only need this part. I'm just going to type in Watermark. You can also select the font from the font place here. I don't know what I'm saying. And then I'm also going back to text here, and I'm going to add in a shadow. Also just going to up the opacity, and I think I'm gonna leave the blurriness. Like so. Okay, select this and then export to frame, and make sure you select import project. And then you're just going to go to local and you're going to add that watermark to it. First, I'm going to go to cutout chroma key, and I'm actually going to select the white bit here, and I'm just going to adjust the shadow. There we go. And on this one, I'm actually going to, you don't have to mirror it. You can just go to adjustments and make it like brighter, I guess. Like that. Select both, right click, create compound clip. And oh, actually, what I need to do is I need to make this smaller. And I'm going to place it where I want to place like the watermark, so like here. And then I will adjust the video. Select both, right click, create compound clip. And then I'm going to go to the video. I'm going to actually mask it like so. Go to cutout again, go to chroma key, select the green bit and adjust the strength and the shadow, and you'll have your watermark. And that is it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!